Hello, welcome everyone to Analog Electronics Lab. Today I will discuss experiment number 3. Experiment name is Design and set up the BJT common emitter amplifier using voltage divider bias with and without feedback and determine the gain bandwidth product from its frequency response. This is the circuit diagram of BJT common emitter amplifier. We required component 100 kilo ohms, capacitor 0.01 microfarad, 20 kilo ohms resistance, 1 kilo ohm resistance. This is the RC collector resistance, RE 330 ohms resistance, and collector CC 0.01 microfarad resistance. And required component apparatus will be CRO, function generator, and power supply. So this is our circuit diagram. A voltage potential divider bias, also known as voltage divider bias, is a method used for the DC biasing of BJT in a simple amplifier circuit. The circuit usually consists of biasing resistor in a voltage divider network whose values are determined through circuit analysis. This type of biasing arrangement uses two resistors as a potential network across supply with their center point supplying. Voltage divider biasing is commonly used in the design of bipolar transistor amplifier circuit. Here Vi is the input voltage peak to peak. This is peak to peak input voltage. C in, this is the NPN type transistor, emitter base collector. Capacitor C in, the value of C in is 0.01 microfarad, is connected to the base point. And voltage divider resistance R1 and R2. The value of R1 R2 is 100 kilo ohms and 20 kilo ohms. Both of are connected to base of CL100. RC is the collector resistance connected to VCC, that will be maximum 20 volts. 1 kilo ohms RC, 1 kilo ohms of RC connected to VCC, another one end of 1 kilo ohms connected to VCC and another end connected to collector. And CC, that is collector capacitor connected to collector. We will get output from CC and ground. RE is the emitter resistance and CE emitter bypass capacitor. One end of RE will be connected to emitter and another end will be grounded. Same way, CE, one end of CE connected to emitter and another end connected to grounded. The value of CE is 47 microfarad. This is the V0 is the output waveform. Next, we will see the frequency response curve of C amplifier. This is the frequency response curve and observation table. Input frequency Vi will be remain same. If we vary frequency, input frequency, then we will get different output from output. And gain will be gain AV equals to V0 by V in. And we will calculate gain in dB, that is 20 log V0 by V in. So Vi will be constant and we will vary input frequency and take output voltage. From output voltage and input frequency we will calculate gain, that is AV. This is the frequency response curve. Here F2 is the higher band frequency, or F1 is lower band frequency. This is the mid band frequency, that is bandwidth. High frequency response and low frequency response denote F2 and F1. We will plot frequency response curve in semi-log amplifier. Thank you everyone.